Come with us on a cruise to Halong Bay on the Oasis of the Bay. We're staying in a twin room on the first floor and there are 4 decks on this ship. Say hi to the captain and let's go for lunch. A whole 3-meal course before going out, kayaking, swimming and jumping on the trampoline. We also got in the hot tub and the rain did not stop us. Jumped in the shower before the night, headed up to see the views, which I couldn't catch on camera because of the lights. Had a humongous dinner, not gonna lie. Played cards, and because it was the party boat we sang karaoke, jumped in the shower again in the morning and look at the view from the shower, guys. The weather was a bit better this morning, so had breakfast outside as we head back to shore. Highly recommend the Oasis party boat. On to the next adventure.